This sole alignment needs to be exact to ensure the athlete's stability.
The heat seals must be consistent today. We cannot rush the cooling phase.
Excellent work, everyone. Let's get this ready for the morning shipment.
These new recycled mesh samples just arrived from the supplier.
We need to ensure the heat press won't warp this specific weave.
Lower the pressure just a fraction. We want a clean bond, not a burn.
Perfect. The bonding is seamless. We can proceed with a full batch.
If we maintain this pace, the entire new batch will be boxed before the night shift starts.
Keep an eye on this gauge.
The temperature is holding steady. Your adjustments were exactly what we needed.
That is the last one. Everything is accounted for.
We did a good day's work. See you all tomorrow morning.
Good morning. Let's review the seam adjustments we finalized last night.
The tolerance here is minimal. We need the heat press to be perfectly centered.
Pressure is set. Let's see if the mesh holds its shape under this heat.
We have 3 pallets ready for the 9 a.m. pickup. Please verify the seals.
If we maintain this pace, the entire new batch will be boxed before the night shift starts.
The temperature is holding steady. Your adjustments were exactly what we needed.
That is the last one. Everything is accounted for.
We did a good day's work. See you all tomorrow morning.
This new mesh has the durability we need for the lateral support sections.
The morning shift is already ahead of schedule. We can start the test run at 10.
It is about the rhythm, Arun. Give the material time to bond without crushing the fibers.
Another batch cleared. Good work today, everyone.
We need to prioritize the mesh durability tests before the main run starts at noon.
Watch the edge alignment. The heat will expand the mesh slightly.
The durability specs were met perfectly. This batch is our best yet.
The efficiency is high, but we need to ensure the fabric swatches for the next run are ready.
This specific mesh requires a 5-degree drop to avoid losing its elasticity. We have cleared the backlog. Tomorrow we focus on the new prototypes.
Another good day's craft. Let's get some rest.
The lateral tension here needs to be increased by 2% to ensure high-speed stability.
Ensure the pressure is consistent for this new weave. It is more sensitive than the previous sample.
Move this stack to bay 4. The morning truck will be here in 10 minutes.
The morning shift was efficient. Now we focus on the specialized orders.
We have a window at 2 o'clock to test the high durability mesh soles.
Hold it for 3 more seconds. The bond needs to be deep.
Precision is perfect. This batch is ready for boxing.
We hit every target. Tomorrow we begin the next evolution of the design. The lateral support on this new mesh needs a tighter tolerance for the heat press. The temperature must remain at exactly 180 degrees to preserve the mesh integrity.
This batch is cleared for the afternoon shipment. Let's get the shrink wrap ready.
The seam tolerance here needs to be reduced to ensure the mesh doesn't pull during assembly.
We must keep the pressure constant to ensure the EVA bond is seamless.
This batch is ready for departure. Bay 4 is cleared for the morning trucks.